Okay, so this is the morning first storm of Juno. I just shower here a little bit, but those areas untouched. As you can see, it's still coming down, and that's is on top of the car. Right now it's about 7 a.m. Tuesday morning. I'm just zoom in over there just to see. Yeah. Coming down very fast. Step out of here a little. So you can see my whole street is gone. I'm gonna put my hand as a guidance. All cars are buried. There's no way you can go to work like this. I can't get out there. I'll do one later, but that's what's going on right now, and it's still coming down. And it's cold right now. It's really cold. So I say, I don't know, it's about knee high, 2 feet right now. It's about 2 feet already. There's the street. There's a street right there. Nope, gone. Blizzard Juno. The whole street's gone. Let me see if I can get the snow to get this going a little more clear. It's like a snow globe right now. Very small though, very small, but